Hi friends, first of all, who all are new here, I would like to introduce myself. Hey, this is Roma. I'm an engineer by profession. I created this channel basically to share with you all my experiences about life. I'd like to request you all, those who have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing this channel. Today's topic is Your Life, Your Choice. And I'm gonna tell you all about how to make choices in your life. So please watch the full video. You all will be having so many questions in your mind about career, relationships, etc. And sometimes you tend to overthink on that. Yet, don't reach to any conclusion and end up taking wrong decisions. Friends, some things are beyond our control and there are other things which we have control on. For example, birth and death. We know that someday we are going to die. That is not in our hand. We can't change it, but we can't just panic and cry over it that we are going to die. So, how to live your life in contentment or grief, that is in your hands. Now, the thing on which you have to work on is the thing which is in your control. How do you manage it? So use a simple formula. Do what makes you happy. We should always try to do things that makes us happy and build a positive environment around us. Don't listen to what people tell you. Everyone will have their own opinion. Identify what makes you happy. Sometimes your happiness depends on your family's or your close ones' happiness. And then you make an effort like bringing them gifts or taking them for a long drive just to make them smile. And this is what contentment means. When your heart says yes, do it, as others' happiness ultimately becomes your happiness. You can relate this with any situation in your life. When you help people and understand that someone is happy and the reason is you, it will surely give you a sense of satisfaction that you could do something for others. When you make any choice in your life, learn what you are best at and go for it. It takes entire life for some people to find out what they are best at. And some others find it in a short span of time. You can make the changes happen because, as I said, how to live your life is in your hand. Everything that you become is based on choices that you make. But remember, you should choose right thing at right time. Don't overthink on a same thing and take a decision abruptly at that particular moment and finish it. It is always yes or no. So how you do these quick decisions is by listening to your heart. Your brain will always keep on analyzing and filtering different topics. But your heart will give you a gesture, and you should learn to recognize this gesture. I'll give you one example. During my teenage, I got an admission in a very good school, and I was supposed to leave my current school and stay in hostel if I'm going to the new school. So there was this dilemma in my mind. But there was one decision to make, so I did that. What I thought was correct, and it was a quick decision. I knew I had to stay in my current school and study because I could enjoy studying there. That's what was making me happy. I knew I could achieve my goals staying in my current school, and I never regretted that. Also, keep in mind, never regret on the choices that you make and prove it into a right decision. When you take decision, you should not get influenced by anyone around you. You should be peaceful and take decision with clear head. When you decide on something, you have to work on it. You have to make efforts for what you desire. Don't depend on others for your decisions. It's your life, so make the decisions and be confident on it. Because when you take decisions on others' inputs, you will blame them if it goes wrong. But when you make decision based on your perception, it's your wish and there is no one to blame and nothing to regret. Friends, if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get our weekly updates. I'll post videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so stay tuned. Thank you.